Chuckster.
It's the Chuckster.
I see some of you brought along your kids tonight. I just have one question for you. What the hell were you thinking? Great way to screw them up. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Now my kid, he was screwed up from the beginning. Take a look.
At least we're far away from the engine this time.
All right.
It's like we always say, the early bird catches the chainsaw.
All right, good evening and welcome aboard the Tram. Now, if y'all are ready to be scared and have some fun, make some noise! Awesome. So, hi there, folks. My name's Lisette. I'm going to be your guide tonight. Hi. So we're going to go ahead and get you going in just a moment. Now, I don't know if you guys knew this, but it's the 50th anniversary of the movie Psycho, a movie that changed the horror movie genre forever. So here's the thing, we had this really cool party planned for you guys over by the original sets of Psycho, which are still down there like the Bates Motel in the house. But unfortunately, somebody crashed the party. This little guy you just saw on your screens, that serial killer doll named Chucky, he raised an army of killer dolls and, well, has kind of, threatened to kill you all. But we're going to check with security, make sure it's safe for us to go on down there. Let's see if we can get a hold of him. Oh, there he is. Hey, guard, can you hear me? Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to be smoking on the job. Yeah, and you're definitely not supposed to be drinking unless you're sharing with me, and you're obviously not. So you're done. All right. So you know, screw that guy. Let's just go ahead and head on down there, anyways. What's the worst that can happen, right? Yeah. So anyways, as we keep on moving, just keep in mind, remain seated while the tram is moving. If you have any small children with you, well, what the hell were you thinking? First of all, but also make sure they're located towards the center of the road, away from the outside gates. And if you have an emergency, just pull the emergency cord overhead that you see on the tram. All right, I'll be back to assist you. Now, many of you may recall that we used to invite Chucky to be a part of Halloween Horror Nights, but our relationship got a little bit messed up. You might be wondering how that happened. I'm kind of wondering myself. So let's go ahead and take a look at our screen, see, find out what happened.
In 1988, moviegoers were introduced to a new kind of terror. A demented serial killer trapped in the body of a good guy doll. A doll named Chucky.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Chucky was an instant hit with horror fans, spawning a string of successful sequels, each more violent than the last. Then, in 1998, Chucky shocked the world by taking a bride.
Imagine that, a Hollywood star marrying a woman made of plastic. Shocker!
Later, they welcomed their first child.
Welcome to Hollywood.
Chucky became one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Interviews, magazines, a toy and clothing line. There seemed to be no limit to Chucky's success.
I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it.
But Hollywood is a fickle bitch. The years of being shot, stabbed, sliced, cut, crushed, chopped, burned, butchered, melted, and exploded took their toll on the Chuckster.
Dying is such a bitch.
And eventually, the cracks began to show. Rumors of drinking and gambling filled the tabloids, as well as multiple cases of domestic abuse. Even Chucky's trademark banter was starting to grow tired.
I can't think of a thing to say.
The movie deals dried up, and Hollywood turned its back on Chucky. The final straw came when Universal canceled Chucky's once popular show at Halloween.
I remember that. I tried to go to it.
That same year, the Universal backlot mysteriously burned down. The studio
And you guys are
issued a
laughing,
cover
that's just
story,
wrong.
but everyone knew who was behind the fire. It seems like Hollywood has not seen the last of Chucky.
I'll be back. I always come back.
So guys, I don't want to alarm anyone, but it appears as though Chucky's brought along some of his friends to assist with all the, killing. Good news is this tram isn't going to stick around to find out who those friends are. Bad news is you're getting the hell off this tram. Good luck with that one, everybody. And ladies, remember the blondes are always the first one to get killed in the horror movies. Just saying. Best of luck with that one. Bye.